Hey guys, and welcome back. So today's video is going to be really different. It's something I've never done on my channel here before. Well, I've kind of done a video like this, but it was with a different company. So today I'm doing a review and try on haul of the new ThredUp Goody boxes. If you don't know what ThredUp is, it's like an online clothing thrifting kind of thing where you can organize it all by your size and style and whatever you want, so you only see those results that pop up in your like feed. So anyway, I'm sure you know what ThredUp is. It's been all over YouTube, but I've never bought anything from ThredUp. I just never really saw something that I like wanted to go ahead and get while I was on the website. But when I saw that they were offering these goodie boxes, I thought that was so smart. So the employees at ThredUp pick out 10 to 15 items per box. You can pick your style of box. You answer a little questionnaire about yourself, what you like, what you don't like, what you want to get. As well as what kind of box you want to get, a little bit about you, and you just answer some questions. I will show it on the screen, like a screen recording of what the process would be like. And then you pay $10 if you use the link that I'm going to have in the description box. I think you can get it for $10 right now instead of $20. And they'll send you 10 to 15 items to your door, and you just keep what you want and send back what you don't. And that $10 that you paid, or $20, whichever one you end up paying, will be applied towards what you end up keeping. Okay, so if you don't really know what you want, you can choose a themed box. So you just deposit your $10. It's non-refundable, but it does go back to any item that you keep. And you can pick the Just For You, Red, White, and Cute, Workouts Optional, 9 to 5, Tropical Getaway, or Take Me Out outfits, and you can just get that box and it'll basically just be everything styled. So I did the Just For You box because I kind of wanted to pick what I got. I wanted to get a variety of items, and it goes from there. And then it'll just take 3 to 5 business days for them to put it together. They mail it out to you, it shows up at your door, and it's pretty much like having your shopping done for you. I just got home from running errands and I saw that it was here, so I was really excited and I couldn't wait to start seeing what I got and see what fits me and take you guys along for the ride with me. Let me show you guys the box. It's huge. Like, this is so cool. It just looks really cool. It's a cute little box. It says ThredUp and it has polka dots on it. It's so big it won't even fit in the screen. And there we go. So I think that's all the information I have about this. I'm sure I'll think of more stuff along the way, but I'm so excited. I can't wait to go ahead and open this box. So let's just go ahead and see what I got. Okay, there's literally no good way to do this. I just think their boxes are so cute. It makes you feel like you're getting new stuff. And a lot of their stuff is new with tags. It's not all secondhand or thrift. It gives you a list of all the things you've gotten, but I don't want to open that yet because I don't want to spoil the surprise for myself. So there's a lot of stuff in here. So they do give you a prepaid return shipping label, so you don't have to worry about shipping back. You don't have to worry about paying or anything like that. Okay, so it came with this little like card thing. Don't really know what this is. It just has like something for every day of the day. Like Monday, roll up your sleeves, do the unexpected, go on a cleaning rampage. Friday, learn a new dance move today. Show us how you live up, ThredUp. Okay. So first up, I just pulled out this cute jean dress. It's from the brand Cloth and Stone. And it has, so ThredUp adds their own tags, so it does feel like you're getting something new, even though these are all technically second-handed clothes or thrifted clothes. But it looks like this. It's just a cute little jean dress, and this is what the bottom looks like. So we will see. It's nothing on the back, kind of like a high-low cut, but I really love denim. I wear a lot of denim, so. Oh, and also you can attach your Pinterest board, so I did that. I attached my fashion Pinterest board, or you can put like, this is who inspires me. Like I put Kristen Johns because I love her style. But anyway, just thought I'd add that little bit in there. But this is what the ThredUp dress looks like. So yeah, so far I like this. They gave me a size small, which should be good. But yeah, I'll show you guys. I'm going to try everything on and insert the clips probably right after I show you the piece. And then we'll cut to me trying on the dress and I'll let you guys know what I think. So this is the first item that they sent me. Excuse me, dogs. It's really short for it to be a dress on me. I did undo the sleeve and I rolled it and already fell down. I like the length of it in the back, like the way it comes all the way down, but I don't think so. It's too wide through here also, and of course it's wrinkledy. I feel like it'd be cuter as a shirt, but yeah. Not loving it. It just looks kind of frumpy on me and doesn't do anything for me. Okay, so next is this dress from American Eagle. This is actually still has the tags on it. So it's brand new, probably never been worn. It looks like this. It's just kind of like a print with the little lace detailing at the bottom. Right off the bat, I would say this really isn't my style, but I'm definitely gonna try it on and show you guys. Like I said, it's from American Eagle. It's a size 2, never worn, new with tags. Yeah, I mean, it's not terrible. It's just not something I don't think I would normally pick this out. Okay, dress. Oh, y'all. I do not like this dress at all. Even Hadley's back there like, no ma'am, you ain't wearing that. It literally smushes me so tight I can't breathe. You can tie it in the back, but I didn't even need to because it was so tight. Number 1, it's just not my style, and number 2, it doesn't fit, so this one is a definite no. So next is this peplum top from Ann Taylor. It's just a peplum cut top in a size small. Oh, and they have the tips on your little thread up tag. So this tip says, secondhand jeans are also a great choice because denim often gets better with age. So kind of hard to tell on camera, just cut it like that. It's from Ann Taylor, and it is a size small as well. Cool looking ripped black jeans. They are really distressed. There's the other pant leg. These are from the brand Current Elliott. These are size 26 as well, but they're really distressed. So I like them. They're not distressed in the back, thankfully. They have like one little spot here. But yeah, so these are kind of cute actually. I hope these fit because I love black pants. Okay, so this peplum top I actually really like. I feel like this would be really cute with a cute skirt, some nice work pants, like something cute I can wear out, look kind of more professional. I just threw them on with these black pants. Y'all, these don't even button, like... I can't get them to button. They look so cute though. I love all the distressed, but I do have a pair that's really similar to this already, so I'm not too worried about it. They fit, but they just don't button, so obviously can't keep those. But this peplum top I actually really like, and like it's not something I would have just normally picked out for myself, you know, but I do really like it. The material is really comfortable. Okay, next is this shirt from J. Crew. It doesn't really feel like J. Crew material. It feels really like see-through kind of. I don't know. It looks very sheer, but it's kind of like an off the shoulder with the little cap sleeves. So I feel like this would be kind of cute. I don't know. Everything looks different once you try it on. So I try not to judge based on like what I first see, but so this is what it looks like. This kind of material. I don't know. We'll have to try it on and see what we think. Okay, so this is that top from J. Crew. I actually really like this off the shoulder kind of top. I think it looks really kind of cute on me. The sleeves are a little different. They're more of like the open kind of flowy sleeve, but I don't mind it, and I really didn't think this shirt would be like this opaque, so that's good. Next are some really wide-legged jeans, like bell-bottom jeans. These are James jeans. They're size 26 waist. Yeah, we'll try these on. I usually just prefer skinny jeans, but I'm always open to try new things with especially wide bottom jeans because I know they're really in style right now. So I just tried this shirt on with the bell bottom jeans, and these actually fit me really well. Like they don't gap on me. They really just kind of like accentuate all the right places and don't accentuate the wrong places. And I just threw them on with a wedge so you guys could see for reference like how wide they are and how much cuter they look when you have like shoes on. So not mad at the jeans, not mad at the top, so this is good. We're getting somewhere. So this is from Banana Republic. I'm pretty sure it's a skirt. Already know I'm not gonna like this. Like, this is not my style at all, but we're gonna give it a try. It's from Banana Republic. It's a size 4. I think it's a skirt. I don't know. We'll see what I think about it. Something different, but I'll definitely be giving this a try and let you guys know what I think. Y'all, I literally thought this was a skirt and it's a top, and absolutely not. I do have Nike shorts on though, so yeah, no. Next is another denim dress. This is a size 2, and it just has the straps. Oh, I think it crisscrosses in the back. Yeah, so it's supposed to crisscross in the back, and then it's just a long denim dress. It's kind of hard to show you guys on camera. Again, I'll be trying all this on so you guys can see. So yeah, I like denim, but I don't know if this style dress is really like what I'm going for. Again, this is from Ann Taylor Loft, size 2. It looks like it zips up the side, it crisscrosses in the back, and it's just got the little spaghetti straps on the front. Okay, so yeah, another no for me. Don't like this dress at all. Doesn't fit me around the bust. It doesn't even zip all the way because I can't get it to zip. Yeah. I love denim. I just don't like this style of dress because it does literally nothing for my body. Like, look. Crisscrosses in the back. But yeah, I just don't think it does anything good for me, so yeah, this one's a pass as well. Okay, again, Ann Taylor Loft, size medium, new with tags as well, is this shirt right here. This one is kind of cute. I like it so far. I feel like this one would be cute to throw on with jeans. I think a medium might be a little big, but it does tie in the back. We'll see what I think about this one. I do like the little ruffle cap kind of sleeve. That's what I'm really into, that kind of style. So yeah, we'll try it on. Okay, so this top is an absolute no. It feels so cheap, and I'm pretty sure this is from Ann Taylor Loft. It's a medium, like, does nothing good for my body at all. Just don't like it at all. Next is this dress from Club Monaco. I've never heard of that brand. It's in a size small. It's just a black and white dress. Is it a dress? I think it's a dress. I'm pretty sure it's a dress. But it's just black and white stripes all the way down. And this is what it looks like. Kind of has a scoop neck detailing. So it's kind of just like a t-shirt dress that has the 3/4 length sleeves. Okay, so here's that black and white striped dress. Overall, I don't hate this one. I don't know if I like it though, because I mean it is so form-fitting. But honestly, I think it's kind of cute. I like the length of the sleeves. I like how it's just kind of like a throw-on t-shirt dress. Let me show you guys the back. It's got the scoop neck detailing. I like it. It's cute. If it was a little bit looser and a little bit longer, I would totally be down for it. But I have t-shirt dresses that look almost just like this, but they just fit me a little bit better. I don't know what this is. Oh, it's a jumpsuit. I never look good in jumpsuits. Ooh, this will actually be cute though. It's a black and white jumpsuit from the brand Bizu. It's a small, but I've never heard of this brand before, but it's a really thick, nice material. It feels very nice. Like this is probably going to be more expensive than the rest of the items they've sent me. But yeah, so I'm excited to try this one on, but since it's a small and I'm so tall, I'm kind of worried that it's not going to fit. Okay, so this is that black and white striped jumpsuit, and actually this looks cuter on me than I thought. Normally jumpsuits, you see how my hips look, I don't know, they just don't look good in jumpsuits, but this one isn't bad. It fits me pretty well. It's got the pinstripes, it buttons and then ties. I didn't know what to do with the tie. And then it zips, and then it goes down to the long legs, so. I don't know, I don't think I'd really ever wear this. I don't know, this is probably, I'm not going to keep it, but it's okay. Okay, next is another pair of jeans. These are J. Crew, 26 short. Those aren't going to fit, I'm really tall. I can already tell you that. Oh yeah, these legs are way too short. But they have the distressed knee. So yeah, they're a 26 short from J. Crew. They're the Matchstick brand, or Matchstick style. So yeah, we'll give them a try, but I'm telling you they're gonna be too short. The jeans, these are the ones, oh my gosh, y'all. They are so tight right now. I wish you guys could understand how tight these are. Yeah, so they're cute, but they're just too tight and they're too short on me. But yeah, here's some Nike workout clothes. This doesn't have a thread up tag on it, so it kind of makes me wonder, like, do they tag everything? Anyway, so this is a Nike shirt, workout shirt. It's in a size small. It's a dry fit. I really like this. I wear stuff like this all the time. And it looks pretty much brand new, like it's barely been worn. I really do like this cut in the front. So yeah, I feel like I'm gonna like this a lot. We're getting down to the last few items. So next is some leggings from Reebok. I really like these. Ooh, these are really cool. They have a zipper in the back. I think that's really cool. So they look like this. They have little things, the reflector things on the side, and they're just regular cut leggings. So yeah, let's see what size. These are Reebok Plays in the size small. So I feel like I really like these. Okay, so this is the Nike athletic top and the Reebok leggings. I actually love both of these. I do wish the Nike top was just a little bit longer, but I think it looks really cute. Obviously, I'd wear a sports bra. I don't have a sports bra on right now. But the leggings I love. They're like really like compression fitted leggings, I guess. They feel really nice and I really like them. They look good. Like I'm ready to go work out. I do like this outfit. I need to put a sports bra on, but yeah, I really like this. I think it's cute and sporty. I would totally wear this. I don't know about the top. I wish it was a little bit longer, but I feel like with shorts, this top would look really cute. But I love the leggings and top. I probably just wouldn't wear them together. Here's another Nike top. It's a small dry fit. These I really like because I wear these like 90% of the time if I'm not going anywhere. or if I just want to throw on Nike shorts and run some errands and just chill around the house, I wear Nike stuff like this. So yeah, kind of like the other top. It's just the racer back and the back. Ooh, these are very bright colored. I don't know if I'd ever wear these out in public. These are Victoria's Secret though. Victoria's Secret Sport. They're a small. They're very short, so they probably just come to your knees. But I don't know. We'll have to try these on. I feel like they're gonna be way too bright and I won't want to wear them out, you know, because I don't like being like drawn attention to me. I just want to like stay back and, you know. Okay, so these are the Victoria's Secret workout leggings and the other Nike top. I like the leggings. I like the color. They're kind of fun. I don't know if I'd really wear them out, but I think they'd be cool just to like do housework in or something. And then the Nike top is the same thing. I wish it was a little bit longer. These do come up pretty high, so I like that. So yeah, here's the leggings and the Nike top. That is a racer back in the back. Okay, next is some mint green pants. Ooh, I could use a pair of these. These are from the brand J brand. Never heard of that again. They're size 26 as well, so I really don't know what size I wear. I feel like these are small for me. I don't know. They're really cute. I love the color of these, so we'll just see if they're long enough and if they fit my waist. Okay, so I kept the same shirt on to show you guys the mint pants. There is like kind of a stain right here, I think. But anyway, they actually fit me really well. We didn't have any problems with these, but I feel like they're too short for me. I don't know, if I cuffed them, maybe they would be cute. But I love this color so much. I just think they're really cute. And even with this top, like, I don't know. I don't think I'd wear this top with it, but they're kind of cute, but they're really, really comfortable. They stretch and they fit so nice. Makes my hips look really big, but I think they're super cute. Like not something I'm gonna keep, but yeah, just wanted to show you guys for reference. This brand is really nice and their pants are really comfy. Okay, y'all, so I am done trying on all the clothes. That was definitely interesting. Okay, so some thoughts. I think the whole concept of this is awesome. I really do like it, and it was really fun to like see what I was gonna get in the mail and just try on new things that I normally necessarily would never try on, you know? So I think the service is a great idea. I do like shopping on ThredUp. Like I haven't really bought anything, but it's fun just to like get the app and scroll through your phone and just see what's on there. A lot of influencers really love it and they get sponsorships and stuff, and they always get like way cuter clothes. I feel like, I don't know, that might just be me, but yeah, I did enjoy it. There's only a few things that I really liked out of the things that I was sent. And another thing I'm kind of shocked about is the prices. Like I thought the prices were going to be really, really low. But mine weren't. Like the cheapest thing I had was $17.99 and the most expensive thing I had was $36.99. Like when I've watched other people's videos, they've been like $5 to $7, you know? So I don't know. I think that's kind of weird. Like if I'm gonna spend that much, I might as well just go to Target and get new clothes, you know? Overall, it was a fun experience. You do have 7 days to return what you didn't want. They do give you the like little return slip. You just stick it on the box and send it back. So yeah, I think it was a fun idea. I don't think I'm obsessed with anything I really got. I did like the peplum top, the leggings, and the athletic shirt. So yeah, I kind of like the athletic stuff, but yeah. So I hope you guys enjoyed seeing this video and seeing my thoughts on the new ThredUp Goody boxes. Let me know if you want to try yours out, and if you do, you can use the code down below or the link down below, and it'll get you the box for $10 versus $20. And that $10 will just go right back to whatever you end up keeping. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed seeing this video and kind of seeing me try on some really different kinds of clothing. I show you guys literally everything. So it's all out there now, nothing to hide. But thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!